How to fix try searching to get started on YouTube. If you're encountering the try searching to get started message on YouTube, it typically indicates that there may be an issue with the YouTube app or your internet connection. Here are some steps you can try to fix this issue. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites or apps to confirm if your internet connection is working correctly. Restart your YouTube app, so close it completely and then relaunch it again. Sometimes restarting the app can resolve temporary glitches. If restarting the app doesn't work, try restarting your device. This can help refresh the device's network connection and resolve minor software issues. Make sure you're using the latest version of the YouTube app, so go to the App Store and check for any available updates for the YouTube app. If there is an update available, install it and then try using the app again. If you're using an Android device, you can try clearing the cache and data of your YouTube app. Go to your device's settings and navigate to Apps or Application Manager. Find the YouTube app in the list of installed apps, then tap on it and select Storage. From there, you can clear the cache and data of the app. Note that clearing data will sign you out of the app, so you'll need to sign back in for afterwards. Sometimes YouTube may experience service outages or server issues, so you can check if YouTube is down by visiting websites like Down Detector or Is It Down Right Now to see if other users are reporting similar issues. If possible, switch to a different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data or vice versa to see if the issue is related to your current network. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you can reach out to the YouTube support for further assistance. This may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or investigate the issue further. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.